But among them was Noah, a man who walked faithfully with God. God told Noah, "I will send a great flood to cleanse the earth. Build an ark, a massive wooden ship, and bring your family and two of every kind of animal inside. I will keep you safe." For years, Noah worked on the ark while others laughed and ignored his warnings. When the ark was ready, the skies darkened. Noah, his wife, his sons and their wives.
This story video is created using free AI tools. And yes, it's monetizable under both the new and old YouTube policies. So let's begin. YouTube channel. You can create a new YouTube channel in just a few minutes. But then, you'll need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. To skip this step, you can buy a pre-monetized YouTube channel. They're risk-free and completely organic. Prompts. In the description below, you'll find a link to my blog. All the prompts are shared there, and I'll keep updating them when needed. Story creation. To get story ideas from ChatGPT, copy the first prompt from the blog. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and you'll get multiple story ideas you can use. You can also share your own idea, and ChatGPT will write a complete story for you. In this tutorial, I'll keep it short, but I recommend writing a longer story for better results. Image generation. For generating images, we'll use Google Whisk. First, go to the blog and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. It will give you detailed character descriptions for your story. Copy the first character appearance. Now open Whisk. On the left side, you'll see the subject panel. Paste the appearance of the first character there and generate it. Do the same for the second character, and so on. This way, all your characters will be added one by one. Next, we'll generate actual story images. Copy the first paragraph of your story. Then copy the third prompt from the blog and paste both into ChatGPT. It will give you image prompts for each scene, and tell you which characters are needed in each one. Let's say the first image has no characters. Paste the prompt into Whisk, lock the seed, and disable all characters on the right side. Generate the image. Now let's say the next prompt includes a character, like Noah. This time, enable only Noah, and generate the image using the prompt. Repeat the process for every scene. Voiceover. For Voiceover, the best tool is ElevenLabs. But if you want something free, use Clipchamp. Open Clipchamp and create a new video. Go to Record and Create, then select Text-to-Speech. A panel will appear on the right. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy your full story, and paste it into Clipchamp. Choose your preferred language and voice, then click Save.
Long ago, the world had grown full of violence and corruption. People had turned away from good, and God's heart was grieved.
If it sounds good, export the voiceover. Music. We'll generate music using AI. Go to the blog and copy the last prompt. Paste it into the same ChatGPT chat. If it's long, you have to ask it to make it shorter. Now go to Suno.com, click Create, and paste the prompt. Enable the instrumental option to get only background music. Hit Create and you'll get 2 music tracks. Download the one that fits your story best. Editing. Now that we have everything, let's edit. Import all the images, voiceover, and music into CapCut. Click on Sort, then enable Time Created. This will arrange everything in the correct order. Drag all media to the timeline. Delete the music, for now. Keep only the voiceover and images. Now adjust the timing of each image so it matches the voiceover. Then add the music track to the timeline. Click on the music. Enable Normalize Loudness, and reduce the volume to -5 decibels. Next, add captions to your video. Pick a caption template that looks clean and professional. Basic editing is now complete. But if you want to make it even better, add transitions or image effects. I recommend using the play pendulum effect. Search for it under Effects, then apply it to the entire video. On the right side, set strength to 15, speed to 5, twist to 0, and sharpen to 0. This effect looks great, especially for longer videos. And it's easy to apply to the full timeline. Final step. Now export your video. And that's it. Try to upload 1 or 2 videos daily to grow your channel faster.
Long ago, the world had grown full of violence and corruption. People had turned away from good, and God's heart was grieved. But among them was Noah, a man who walked faithfully with God. God told Noah, "I will send a great flood to cleanse the earth. Build an ark, a massive wooden ship, and bring your family and 2 of every kind of animal inside. I will keep you safe." For years, Noah worked on the ark while others laughed and ignored his warnings. When the ark was ready, the skies darkened. Noah, his wife, his sons and their wives, and pairs of every animal entered the ark. Then, the rain began. For 40 days and nights, it poured. Water covered even the tallest mountains. Every living thing outside the ark was lost. But inside, Noah and those with him were safe. Eventually, the rain stopped. The waters slowly went down. After many months, the ark rested on Mount Ararat. Noah sent out a dove. It returned with an olive leaf. New life had begun. Finally, God told Noah to leave the ark. He and his family stepped out into a cleansed world. Grateful, Noah built an altar and worshipped God. Then God placed a rainbow in the sky, saying, "This is my promise. Never again will I flood the whole earth."